So, hello everyone, myself Anurag. First of all, I say thank you to everyone for giving me this opportunity, and I take this opportunity and say something about my today's topic, education beyond the book. Education beyond the book is also same important than education in the book, because it's give our ideas and give knowledge about the real world and real struggle and the knowledge about the pupils. So what is education? Education is this, we would learn the new things and different ways. Just like we do some activities and take a knowledge from the real world and take a knowledge from the outsider, family members and our friends, and take the knowledge from the technologies. So what is matter? What is the importance of education beyond the book? It is important because of it provide our learning, and it improve our learning and thinking power. It provide our knowledge about the world, about the real social problems, and give the knowledge about the pupils, what is the nature of the pupil and how can we define it, and also give the knowledge about the history and the everything. So today's we will cover these three topics. First of all, our topic is hand-on activities. So just you imagine, you do the things by your hand, just like science project and school project. So you never forget that, because you make by yourself, make by your hand, make by using your mind. So you never forget these things. So it's the hand-on activity is very important role in the learning. And second is digital tools. It's a very good thing to take education, because if you have a problem in your studies, in your education, so take some help from the technology, AI and Google and YouTube also. So it help you how give you idea and opinion, what is the right, what is the wrong, and it's make the study easier. And collaborative learning, it's a very important thing in education, because if you know, you study with your friends, with your family, with everyone, you learn the thing most, and you have take some fun with him, and you learn the thing in fun, so you never forget that these type of things. So the collaboration is very good, and just like you learn things with your friends, you say your opinion and you take somewhere opinion to him, and you do debate to him, you know the right, positive and negative effect of the thing. Increase motivate and fun. The education beyond the book also increase the motivate ourselves and increase the fun thing, because you have doing thing by yourself and by the some outside. So you have make some fun, because it's a new things you do firstly, and you have make some interest on them, and you doing thing, and if first and second time is good, so you have confidence inside, you have make a confidence inside you, and it's improve motivate from the inside. So we will do next time better. And our next topic is developing new skills together. Just imagine if you have a skill of coding, and your friend have a skill of editing, so you share each other's skills together, and you have more of skills, and only your education are not enough to earn money in your future. New skills and essential skills are very important for your future and earning money for your chapatis. And our next topic is real life world examples. Many schools and parents he take some education beyond the book event, just like he takes science project, he make a project for the student, engage in them and take some motivate and fun of this project. And you also take some real world issues, just like where should the war our start, where should the war is closed, what is the doing in the world, how do it, and also take the knowledge from the outsider, and it make also take the from the outsider and take some knowledge from the online. So and the conclusion, I say only that the education beyond the book is also important and same as education in the book, because education beyond the book is provide our improve our thinking, knowledge, and give the provide the knowledge about the pupils. So at the end of my speech, I only say that education is everywhere, but you have courage to take it. So thank you to everyone.